symptoms na pala yun ng bone cancer.
Hi, ako po si Maria Lourdes Beja or Lou Beja.
54 years old from Cagayan de Oro City.
I had stage 4 breast cancer, an early stage bone cancer.
First po, nagumpisa ng stage 3A. After 1 week, naging stage 3B. And then, I thought okay na after chemotherapy. Sabi ng doktor, kumalat na din sa bone. Early stage sa bone, tapos sa breast po.
Kala ko before, frozen shoulder lang yun. I can hardly raise both of my arms. But nung sobrang sakit na ng likod ko dito sa left arm ko at saka dito sa legs ko, mostly mga extremities ko. Sabi ng isang doktor ko, symptoms na pala yun ng bone cancer. He told me that might undergo chemotherapy and plus radiation. Natakot na ako kasi yung papa ko namatay sa liver of the cancer. And yung mama ko is, kahit kunti lang yun ng experience niya, kasi lately na namin nalaman na symptoms pa lang yun ng kidney cancer. So both of my sisters were also operated sa breast nila during their younger years. And then I had also symptoms for diabetes while I was young, as early as 8 years old. Yung friend ko, si Coach Richel, sabi niya, ang ganda-ganda ng product. Yung first ko na tinatry, yung Keto Cleanse. Kasi experience ko man yon before, na sabi ng doktor ko na before anything else, I have to clean my colon. 80% of our immune system cells lives in our colon. So kailangan talaga i-activate tapos linisin. No, we have to clean it. First, ginawa ko yung colonics. That's the reason why I promoted the Keto Cleanse. Kasi same thing yun eh. Mahal lang yung isa. Pero sa Keto Cleanse, the cheapest po yun ng colon cleansing. And then, our MU King, it has phytocell technology, apple and grape stem cell, and then plus MUs. Sa MUs is napaka-sulit po kasi nanggaling po sa more than 110-year-old company sa Japan, sa Kirin. And then sa MUs po, kaya niyang padamihin ng natural killer cell inside your body. Even different kinds of diseases, kayang-kaya talaga.
Course, yung memory ko, kasi foggy brain ako eh. Kasi may side effect ako after my chemotherapy. So may focus na ako. In fact, I can drive na. Before ako nag-cancer, hindi pa ako makapag-drive. Kasi wala talaga akong wala focus ko. And then, naging worst yon sa chemotherapy. Yun, ito na po. Makagalaw na. Yung pain, minsan nakakalimutan ko na. Dumaan ako sa punto na hindi ako makakalagat. Sobrang sakit. Pero ngayon lang. And then, grabe ako. Yung both of my arms is I can already use for swimming before. Hindi po. Kahit nagsisiyar ako, nahihirapan akong mag-remove ng underwear ko. Napakahirap. Yung experience mo na makakatulog ka sa sakit and then you will wake up with the same pain. Hindi yun basta-basta. And now, most of the time, nakakalimutan ko na po yung pinagdaanan ko ng cancer. So, yun. In fact, kita ko talaga yung changes. Including my family, no? Yung maintenance nila sa isang sister ko is nitric boost na plus MU King. So lahat ng product ng Sierra Mountain Herbs, from the simplest po yung rub, Iyashi spray, from postbiotic product nato sa MU King, stem cell, even the nitric oxide, the Psycho White for the liver. Lahat po ginagamit ko yun. And also for our vitamin C, the cheapest po and the most quality po, super talaga ating vitamin C. At saka yung ginagamit ko rin yung MGVit minerals. Kasi si magnesium, grabe talaga yun sa ating katawan. Most of the product ginagamit ko. Before I took different kinds of stem cell, nakita ko sa MU King, kumplito na po siya when it comes sa production ng natural killer cell. Yung research niya, well-versed yung mga Japanese when it comes to probiotic, prebiotic, postbiotic. Alam niyo naman yung mga Japanese tao. Plant-based stem cell, grabe talaga yung, kung open-minded ka lang tapos mag-study ka sa product, yung effect niya.
To be honest, 1 week meron na. Even 3 days. Pero yung bilis ng effect niya when it comes sa ano man yung kondisyon ko, no? Worse na yung kondisyon ko. It's napaka-fast. Yung nakita ko talaga na, wow, ganito na ang strength ko. 3 months. Kasi ang repair kasi ng tao is at least 90 to 120 days. Recommending to all ages po. Kasi talamak na po ang cancer ng Philippines, no? Every 15 minutes, may isa mamamatay ng cancer. It's already considered a silent pandemic, but nobody told us, nobody alarmed us na kaya-kaya palang labanan ng cancer. So we have products also na very best sa heart, which is the nitric boost, the best sa liver, which is our Psycho White. All ages po, depende lang po yon sa karamdaman. Even if you don't experience any symptoms of diseases, sabi nga ng isang eksperto na no sickness is not equal to being healthy. It doesn't mean na wala kang symptoms, healthy ka. So, itry lang lahat. I hope you can share my testimony to your family, no? Kasi naging blessing po ako. Hi, I'm Maria Lourdes Beja or Lou Beja, 54 years old from Cagayan de Oro City, breast and bone cancer survivor. Thank you, SMH.